Good morning, everyone. It's a bit of a chilly Friday morning, but it's going to be about, what, like
60 today.
Yeah, 50 today or something like that. Anyway, so today is the big day for the Witchcraft Custom Motorcycle Show. Yay, it's finally here. So it is going to be held between 3 and 5 o'clock out at the Switchback Bar. If you're going to register, please get there before 3 o'clock and we can get your bike registered for you. It'll be a $20 entry fee for it. We're going to have some great prizes. We're going to have some money. And we have 3 gift cards from the Pig Trail Harley Davidson dealer. First prize is going to be $100.
No, third prize is going to be
Third prize is going to be $100. Second prize is going to be $250, and first prize is going to be $500. Wow.
Yeah, and it doesn't have to be a Harley. We don't care what you ride. You got something cool, you want to show it off, bring it on out, put it in the bike show. We are doing people's choice. So we're not voting on this. This is going to be what the patrons at the bar choose for their favorite. So whatever you got, bring it out.
Where's my bike show participants? We're giving away the prize here.
I'm not a participant, but woo!
I want to thank everybody for coming out. This is a better turnout than we expected. We had very short notice on this. We couldn't have done it by ourselves. Cat House helped us. The Switchback, of course, helped us. And a big shout out to Pig Trail Harley Davidson for some very nice gift cards. All right, our third place goes to Lonnie Miller, 2014 Street Glide.
Woo!
Where are you, Lonnie?
Lonnie!
He gets $40 and a $100
I got video
gift
there.
card to
Hold on.
Pig Trail Harley.
Okay, perfect.
All right, and of course our second place winner doesn't know how to fill out his name on the form. Second place is the 2016 Harley Road Glide, number 7. Who was number 7, buddy? Didn't learn how to spell your name, huh? Second place, he gets $60 and a $250 gift card to Pig Trail Harley.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Our first place winner seems to have a lot of friends. Naked Jake, 2011 Harley.
Oh, snap!
He gets $80 cash and a $500 gift card.
Woo! Look at you go.
Money too.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
Good job. Congrats.
Again, I want to thank everybody. I think we're going to try and put one again together for BBB. and maybe next year for Spring Flame. So hopefully we just get this bigger every year. But thank you again.
Awesome.
All right, big round of applause. Witchcraft Cycle Works. Check them out. They got some great work.
Where's